Alright folks, here we are at a 2018 Nissan Altima 4-cylinder. Let's do an air filter today. Air filter. 2 clips on the right side. 1, 2. 1 in the center. 2 clips on the back side. Hardest part is getting the one on the back side. Gotta stick your hand between the hose and unlock it. And the filter comes right out. I'm gonna show it to you. Alright, the filter looks pretty clean, so I'm just going to put it right back. Otherwise, if it's dirty, change it, of course. So I'm going to plant you right here, give you a nice little view, and now off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the one all the way over here. Squeeze your hand in there. 5. Nothing else. You have to disconnect. Open it up like a clam. Ta-da. And there it is. Alright, that's the shape of it. Only goes one way. Can't put it the wrong way, because otherwise it won't fit. Put it back. Just gotta slide it in there. Find the right spot. This should sit flush. Okay, if not, then you're hitting something in the back. Alright, if there's any debris in there, blow it out, vacuum it out, clean it out. Cover goes right back in, easy peasy. 1, 2, this one over here. 3, 4, and 1 more. There you go. Perfect. All right. That's it. Change your own filter. Save you a lot of money. There you go. Thanks for watching, folks. Ciao.